That's exactly what the Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool is designed to do. In today's video, we're going to see how this powerful diagnostic scanner helps you understand your vehicle, pinpoint problems faster, and even perform advanced repairs like a pro. So stick around, you might save yourself a lot of money on your next repair. Product features. First, let's talk about what makes the Innova 5610 such a powerful tool. This scanner works with most OBD2 vehicles from 1996 to 2023, including many cars, SUVs, and trucks. Once connected, it allows you to read and clear trouble codes and access both OBD2 and OEM live data, which helps you understand exactly what your vehicle is doing in real time. One of its biggest highlights is bidirectional control. That means the tool doesn't just read data, it can actually send commands to your car. Also lets you monitor advanced systems like the engine, ABS, SRS airbags, and transmission, giving you deeper insights than a basic code reader. Pros and cons. Now let's quickly look at the pros and cons. Pros: powerful bidirectional control for active component testing, access to live data for multiple vehicle systems, special reset functions for advanced repairs, works with most 1996 to 2023 OBD2 vehicles, free updates with no subscription fees, helpful repair solutions to app integration. Cons: some advanced features depend on vehicle make and model. It's not universal for every car system. Slightly more advanced than entry-level scanners for beginners. Overall review. Overall, the Innova 5610 is a fantastic diagnostic tool for people who want more than just a basic code reader. If you're a DIY car owner, serious home mechanic, or even a professional technician, this scanner gives you pro-level functionality without paying dealership prices. The bidirectional testing alone can save hours of troubleshooting, making it a powerful tool for diagnosing problems quickly and accurately. So, if you want to take control of your car's diagnostics and repairs, the Innova 5610 is definitely worth considering. If you want to check out the Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool, I've put the product link down in the description below. And if you enjoy learning about tools that can save you money on car repairs, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.